Hello, everyone. In the previous class, we studied the activity on arrow, AON, network diagram. In this class, we will learn about the activity on node, AON network diagram. In the AON network diagram, to accurately express the logical relationships among the various activities in the network schedule, the concept of dummy activities is introduced. Through drawing and calculations, we can see, including dummy activities can be rather cumbersome. It not only increases the workload, but also enlarges the diagram, making calculations more time-consuming. Therefore, while using an AON diagram to represent schedules, a second type of network diagram, the AON diagram, is conceived. It solves the problems that exist in the AON network diagram. The AON diagram is simple to draw. Its logical relationship is clearly expressed, and it does not require dummy arrows. There is lower chance of introducing logical errors. It is easier to check and revise. The AON diagram is better suited for drawing, calculating, optimizing, and adjusting by computer. The latest developments in network scheduling techniques, such as decision network, graphical evaluation and review technique (GERT), and precedence diagrams, are all represented by the AON network diagram. In recent years, there has been increasing global attention to the AON network diagram. In summary, the AON network diagram has the following characteristics. First, logical relationships. The diagram is easy to express. Dummy arrows are not needed. Second, the diagram is easy to review and revise. Third, the duration is noted within the node, which is less intuitive. Fourth, arrows often intersect and overlap. An AON network diagram is composed of nodes and arrows. Arrows are used solely to represent the sequence among related activities, without any other meaning. Nodes indicate the logical relationships among activities, including both technical and organizational relationships. In an AON network diagram, these relationships are represented in the sequence of activities. First, the nodes in an AON network diagram. Nodes are the primary elements in the AON network diagram, represented by circles or rectangles. Each node represents one activity or operation. As such, it consumes time and resources. The name, time duration, ID number of the activity represented by nodes generally mark inside the circle or rectangle. And sometimes the time parameters are generally marked inside the nodes, as shown in the diagram. Second, arrows. Arrows in an AON network diagram only represent the logical relationship among activities. They do not consume time, nor do they consume resources. Dummy arrows are not used in AON network diagrams. The arrowhead shows the direction in which activities proceed. The activity represented by the arrow tail node is the predecessor activity of the activity at the arrowhead node. Third, numbering. Each node must have a number, which serves as the identifier for that activity. Each activity can only have one unique node and one unique identifier. Duplicate numbers are prohibited. Assign node numbers in ascending order. That is, the number of the arrowhead node must be greater than the arrow tails. In this class, we mainly studied the formation, definition, and key components of the activity on node, AON network diagram. So how is the AON network diagram drawn and calculated? That's all for today's class. We will discuss it in next class.